Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a fruit. They are also known as the custard apple, a tropical fruit renowned for its creamy texture and sweet, custard-like flavor. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Cherimoya, Cherimoya, Moya, Cherimoya. The fruit has a unique appearance, with a green, scaly skin and white, soft flesh. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Cherimoya, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.